Welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore interesting advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at heel pull and Rumba cross and drop Fallaway Ronde. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we start with heel pull and Rumba cross, which is originally quick step figure. In quick step we dance usually natural turn with hesitation. After that we dance Rumba cross, quick, quick, slow, and end with pivot. Now we will change slightly this structure. We will start with heel pull and then continue Rumba cross and continue without pivot but to side. Then we do drop Fallaway Ronde and finish in closed position. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us first of all quick step basic version of natural turn with hesitation and Rumba cross. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look again at quick step version of basic figures with Rumba cross. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now we will change slightly this variation for our slow foxtrot routine. So we start with heel pull, then continue with Rumba cross without pivot, and then drop Fallaway Ronde. Very good. Now let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow and quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's add weave ending. So again we will start with heel pull, then continue with Rumba cross without pivot, then drop Fallaway Ronde, and we finish with weave ending. Very good. Let's look again from other angle and with teaching count. And slow and quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Now next figure we will dance is 3 Fallaway and side cross ending. So we start with 3 Fallaway step, then do side cross and finish with waltz weave steps. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. Slow and quick, 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 quick. And now few figures for beginning of our routine. We will do advanced outside spin. Notice lady dances second step to side and then brush, like in spin turn. Let's look again. And slow, quick, quick. And now we will overturn advanced outside spin and add curve feather. So we dance advanced outside spin with a pivot and then curve feather. Very good. Let's do it again from opposite angle. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's put together our today's choreography. So we start with advanced outside spin, then curve feather, heel pull, a rumba cross, drop Fallaway Ronde, weave ending, and 3 Fallaway into side cross and waltz weave steps. Very good, let's do it again, this time with a count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, 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 quick. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.